Hey, my name is Lakshay, and today I'll be demonstrating the iOS application for assignment 2. This is a product manager app that utilizes core data for persistent storage and a segmented tab bar for controller navigation and dynamic UI elements which are built programmatically. When you're launching the app, you'll see very quickly it goes through, but you'll see a quick pop-up of the uh, launch screen, and then you're immediately followed by the first tab, which is the detail view. On the very first launch, the app uses the data seeder, which automatically populates all the data with some default products. So there's immediate data you could use and interact with. On the very first tab, you can see is the product detail, and at the bottom, you're able to move between individual products, and there's also a counter in the middle, so you know which product you're on. And there's also a functionality feature that guarantees there's strict bounds, so it prevents any crashes when we're going to 10 or 1. Moving over to the second tab, it's a list of all the products page, and it's basically a UI table view that fetches all the records stored in the core data. And in each cell, you'll see a truncated description of the product itself, and you're able to even search for products as well. Let me just say, for example, the Dell. You'll be able to see the Dell pulls up right away, and there's also integrated controller that actively filters the data sources matching the text. So even if you don't know the exact product name, if you search for, like, let's say laptop, you'll see both the Dell and the MacBook laptop show up, and you're able to click on the certain product itself and quickly view the description and the actual product page for that product itself. At the third tab, you could see on the bottom is there's an add product tab, and here you could populate a new product which you want. Let's just say test description for this one, and price we'll just do 100, and provider, let's just say test brand, and they're active validations in the input fields. So if you put a wrong input, it won't let you. But once you do that, you could save the product. It'll give you a success screen that your product has been saved, and it saves the entity straight into the core data. Once you click OK, and if I go back to the products tab, you'll see on the very bottom we have the test one, and then you'll be able to see this in the product details tab too if we scroll down to the very end. And it also updates the value count dynamically. This concludes my demonstration. The application handles all the data requirements, utilizes safe memory practices, and also dynamically renders all the interfaces. And thank you for watching.